How's it going, everybody? It's another awesome day here in Japan. Today we're at the Cup Noodles Museum. Another little cup of noodles you get at the store. So it's gonna be interesting and check that out. Also, it's right across the street from Cosmo World and the World of Porters, which is a shopping area. So let's get inside the museum and check it out. I just paid to get in. It's 500 yen, and then they said 400 yen to eat. I'm not exactly sure. They said something on the third floor, so we're gonna check it out. My time is 4:30 to 6 or 4:50. That's the lobby. It's huge. And yeah, big old booklet of stuff and different things to go do and eat. So let's go check this out. Okay, so there's a map of each floor, like the event hall, the Noodles Bazaar, and then here they actually, you make your own cup of noodles with your own design, I guess, on it. So I've been trying to go through this. Also, there's a QR code right here. Oh, so much paperwork. So you can translate everything into English if you need to. But I think I'm just gonna wing it today because that's what I do best. And to start the tour off, we have the Instant Noodle History Cube, which is all the different years and all the different variations of ramen noodles that they have created. You can see I kind of keep going backwards because it gets taller. We got everything from 89 up there. And these are different creations as they add them. And there's just so many. That one's called the UFO right there. There's curry. Is that ice cream? I don't know. It looks like ice cream. And then it keeps going through 2005 and 2009. That one looks like light cup of noodles. Okay. And then it keeps going till we are currently now here at 2016 with the selection there. And then these are all based on like where they have served in the country. So this section here down there, this is all Japan, all the way down here. Then you start getting into some other countries, and then there's the USA. Of course, we got our chicken, you know, and then curry, shrimp, beef, and then Brazil, China, Hong Kong, Korea, like, you know, just all the different varieties. And there's a lot of them. Walking out, we have a statue of the creator of instant noodles here. His name is over here because I don't want to say it improperly. I was looking at all the different history notes and everything on the walls here, and the one that spoke out to me the most is right here, the invention of space ramen, where they created a packet like that where they could have ramen on the spaceship or space station. Definitely some interesting art. That looks really cool. And then you got the big cup right there. I'm already gonna say this is worth the 500 yen to stop by here. This is cool. I like how they have the cup of noodles drying out here, and then the little shop with that where they cook everything. I like it. So the little cabin they have back there is Andon's shack that he would do all his midnight oil burning, getting the ramen ready for the next day, or a cup of noodles, because the birth of the world's first instant noodles was August 25th, 1958. And then it takes quite a while before they make the first cup of noodles in September 18th of 1971. That's quite the span there, but then, yeah, it just kind of blew up after that. I know my son loves these. Check out this strange room. Little cup, bigger cup, real big cup. It's a slanted floor. I'm gonna show you a TV. Hey, how's it going? This is so cool. And they're all different sizes. Like, you can see right there, the different sizes, but look at this. What's up, me? Look at that, like, ooh. But the floor is slanted, but everything looks level in the camera right there. Like, all the cups look the same shape, but you can see the angle either way. That's cool. This is something cool. They have interactive projectors overhead. So like when we touch the space station. Or the helicopter. So, ooh, which way we do this one? Alright, maybe we will get some. That looks delicious right now. Now leaving the second floor, moving to the third floor where Noodle Factory, where you make your own cup. I'm slotted for 4:30, so I'm going to be back later for this. So we're gonna go to the fourth floor, and then we're gonna enjoy the museum, and then by 4:30 we're gonna be back down here to have some noodles and possibly make our own. We'll see what's going on. Now on the fourth floor, and what an amazing view of the Yokohama Bay right there. That looks awesome. I love views. And since I like them so much, I decided to come outside and enjoy them. And yeah, check out that boat right there. This is very nice and peaceful. Let's go to the Bazaar now and see what they have. I believe it's food, and yeah, after looking at all that, I'm kind of hungry. And now we're at the Bazaar. They gave me a English translated food menu, and then over here they have desserts. And I don't know if you know this, but I love desserts. We've been eating a lot of those this trip. We'll decide that in a minute, but I'm looking at the pasta springy noodles made with durum wheat flour. It looks good. I'm gonna try it. This is very cool. Look at that. That's awesome. Like with all the little shops everywhere. It has all the different countries' foods. I'm currently looking for the Italy one. Looking like a... Yeah, I'll find it. And I found the Italy one. It's kind of like Epcot, you know, all the different countries and everything. So we're gonna do this one. It's 400 yen for the pasta. Let's put my money in. So you give me a ticket, they're gonna serve it up and we'll go eat it. And this is what I got. It is pasta, as they call it. I'm kind of excited. I love the atmosphere in here. It's super cool. I got myself a little table right here. And then we're gonna try this out. All right, I got my spaghetti. Stealing. It's good. I would definitely pay 400 yen for this again. Not oversauced, not too salty, and little bits of ham in it. Really good. Definitely worth the 400 yen. I really enjoyed that. That was really good, and of course I love all that in there. It just so nice to see. And little truck. It even says Tuk Tuk on the top of it. That's so cool. Fifth floor is closed off due to current global situation, so we are not able to go up there. It's for the Ando Foundation charity. It's down right now. That's okay. And then they're not doing any shows. Obviously, that's not happening either. But that's okay. 500 yen. This has been a pretty good experience so far. We still have cup of noodles and possibly make my own, so I'm really excited about that one. Well, in a change of plan, she was able to get me in 30 minutes early, so that's pretty awesome. We're gonna go over here and get our cup, pay for it, and then we're gonna start packaging our own ramen and then decorating our own cup. And then I'm gonna give this to my son. Sorry, everybody, but he'll love this thing. All right, I'm up. I'm gonna put my money in. I'm gonna pick a cup. That one right there looks pretty good. I get my change, and I go get my cup. All right, I got my cup, and then I'm going to draw on it, and probably they gave us a basket of markers to do it with, and these are the ingredients that we are going to be able to put in there, and we'll package it in a minute. So let's go. You know, as hard as I'm working on this, it shouldn't look. I mean, it's not horrible, but it's not great. Also, my son's name's on it, and I drew him some bananas because that's a thing he likes. He likes Fortnite, and he likes the banana in Fortnite. Well, I think that's it for this one. Didn't plan on doing a whole lot with it. Just customize it for my son. The reason I said sorry, everybody, you can't have one of these because I'm not doing this as a giveaway. But I will be doing one soon, so stay tuned for that. All right, let's go fill this thing up. All right, we're gonna put one of those inside. She can do that. And then I'm gonna crank the hand wheel. Oh, very cool. There is a language barrier, but you know, they're pretty good with their hands. They explain how to move things around and everything. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick our ingredients to put inside right after we just put the noodles in there. So I'm picking this cup of noodles because again, this is for my son. We get 4 items. First selection, two corn there. Is that beef? Beef, yes. And then 2 of those. Yep. Yep. I quite can't understand those, and he doesn't like chili. Yep, all good. Thank you. Okay, we're currently on step 6, which is seal the cup. They're gonna be pressing it in there, and then we'll see what happens. All right, now they're putting the lid on the cup, and they're gonna seal it. And there it is. Very cool. And then now they're gonna vacuum seal it. Or not vacuum seal, but you know, plastic seal right there. And now it's gonna go, and then go in there and to the shrink wrap, where we can watch it happen. Oh, that's really awesome. And it's gonna come out right here in a second. And there it is, all sealed up. Whew, it's really warm from the, but yeah, that's awesome. I made my own cup of noodles for my son. And now we're on to step 8, which is inflate your package and your very own cup of noodles is complete. And you can see here, they provided this bag. And then you take this air pump right here and you fill it up. And then I'll show you when I'm done. If you properly read the instructions, you'll know not to tear this tab apart. But yep, you got the air in there. And then you can see it right there. It just fits in the middle. And then, so now they can go all the way back to Washington State, where my son is, and he can enjoy his own cup of noodles that I made for him. And then you put the lanyard on there so you can carry it. I just got one question. Doesn't this look fancy? Got my own satchel, like if I'm hungry and I'm on the go, and boom, food. That's pretty cool. Let's go to the gift shop. If you couldn't get enough of all the ramen, there is more on sale here at the gift shop. $5.90 for 3. Not a bad deal. There. Ooh, I like to collect these little cars and everything. That one's looking really cool. I send those home to my son too. Oh, there we go. Cup, noodle, little. Yep, my son's got way too many of those, but I still buy them for him. And you can see there's more in here in the display case. I want that for my own room. That looks like so much fun just to have. Like, there's that little cup of noodle car I was just talking about. Okay, I'm getting this. I think it's a necklace. I can't tell, but that looks so cool. I'm gonna have to get that. It's only 550 yen, so about $5. That was a great time at Cup Noodles. I can't ever say it right without Cup of Noodles museum there. I got my wife that little keychain you guys saw just a minute ago, and then my son the yeah, food on the go. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit that like button. Of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do, and I'm still in Japan doing some more stuff, so I hope you guys like it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.